How to add affiliate program to your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will talk about adding an affiliate program to your Shopify store. Now, this is going to be very helpful for your reputation, basically, and you'll be able to gain customers a lot more, and you will have a lot of loyal customers as well. So this is going to basically promote people to share your store with others, and they will get something in return once they do that. And there's going to be a lot of options to do, adding affiliate programs in Shopify, because it is going to be a third-party application anyway, because Shopify does not offer this option. So in this case, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on Add Apps from the App Store. So just go ahead and click on Add Apps, and you want to basically just go to Shopify App Store. Now, from within Shopify App Store, you can just go and search for affiliate program, and there's going to be a lot of applications that are very excellent at doing so. And I'm just going to go for this one for the sake of this video. I highly recommend that you actually go for it. It is very powerful, but then we also have a lot more. So if you are not comfortable using this one, you can just go ahead and set up a different one. Regardless, they're just going to be adding that to you. And why I like this one is actually the free version that it does offer you is very, very powerful. And if you want more, you can just go ahead and upgrade to the premium plan. But you can see yourself how good the free plan is for this app. So you can just go ahead and click on install here and obviously install it to your Shopify store and give it a little bit of time so we can set it up. Okay, great. So once it is actually, successfully installed for your store, you would want to set it up, obviously. So just go ahead and click on Get Started, and you can just go ahead and, set up this setup. So you can just go ahead and take your time with it. I'm just going to skip ahead so I can show you how we can actually manage this app. So within the setup, they will actually ask you how you want the commissions to be. So let us decide on how the commissions you want to give to your affiliate for a successful referral. So in this case, whether it's going to be a percentage or flat rate. So I highly recommend that you can just go for a percentage if you're just starting off. If you know what you're doing with a flat rate, you can also do so. So it's completely up to you on how you want it to be. So I'm just going to keep it percentage and 10% commission. So that's for every successful referral. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on Next. So here, if you want to do the coupons, you can just go ahead and also do them in here and click on Save and Continue, or you can just skip for now. I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the coupons as well. And then we can just go ahead and copy the affiliate link, and then you can just go ahead and actually use it. I will show you exactly how. Go to the online store. After you copy the actual link, go to navigation, and then from navigation, you just want to go to the main menu. Create a new menu item, which is going to be the affiliate program. And then you would want to paste the link right over here. Once that's done, you can just go and click on Add. I did paste it in actually, so let's just go ahead and do that again one more time. This one, and click on Add. Okay, so once that's done, you just want to click on Save Menu, and we can just go ahead and go back. So the rest of the setup is going to be completely however you like it to be. So for example, if you want to add your logo, feel free to do so like that. If you want to change your brand color, you can also do that from here. So just go ahead and adjust this to your liking, save and continue. And here's going to be the pretty much just letting you know how it actually works. So basically all you need to do, or all you need to know is basically if someone shares your link and they refer it to their friends, family, and they purchase something and it is actually a successful referral, they will be getting a 10% coupon, or 10% commission for the actual sale, as you can see in step number 7. So this is pretty much how it actually works, and is going to be now visible on your online store. So if they just go ahead and open up your online store, click on affiliate program, they're actually going to see all of this. So they will be able to see this, and they can just go ahead and click on Join Now and earn the 10% commission if it actually is successful. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.